It's a really good question, and it's something that I always address with every single client is, one, have insurance. I do believe in
Absolutely.
insurance. You have to
Oh,
have insurance.
sure,
And have,
absolutely.
I always say have as much as you can, even an umbrella policy.
Right.
But it's foolhardy if you're going to solely rely on that. And part of it is just if you're going to be, for example, a real estate investor, the first thing that I think to understand this topic is real estate is the most heavy litigated area of law that there is. There's just too many ways for someone to be sued if you own real estate, and the more you own, the more you have, the higher percentage law probability.
Right.
You're just opening up the wavelength. So I always say it's not a matter of if, but when, and then in what condition you're going to be in when you're going to be sued to defend this. And so insurance is a good start, but then we need to understand insurance as an insurance business and insurance law. Insurance companies make their money by paying premium, collecting premiums and then trying not to pay claims in full.
Right.
Especially really big claims. So like they'll be fine covering small claims, but if you're talking about $1 million claims or something higher than that, they're going to try to wiggle out of that. And a lot of that is just going to understand insurance law. So the way it's going to be defended and the insurance side of things is going to be through fraud. And so they're going to use any statement that you made at any time during, like say, a selling of a property. You're selling a property and someone's going to buy or sell it, and you send an email, for example, that says all the plumbing has been taken care of, and it wasn't, and then you're getting sued for that. The courts are going to look at a statement or an email like that and say that's an intentional act. And then what the judge is going to say is, since this is an intentional act, we're going to use every statement that you made as an intent. And then the defense in this is going to be through the insurance side of things, is saying we don't pay claims for intentional wrongdoings or acts. Sorry, this is now going to be deemed an intentional act. We're not going to cover you for this.
Right.
And if you think that we are wrong on this, why don't you go ahead and sue us also? So now you're going to be getting sued, while then you have to go and sue your insurance agency to try to go and collect on a claim that you think you should be covered for.
So it's a major rabbit hole.
It is a major rabbit hole, and it just creates a false sense of insecurity for the clients that come in.